मैं ओपोजिशन वालों इस कदम का वेलकम करना बहुत वैल इंटेंशनड है। नौवीं पातशाही गुरु तेग बहादुर जी की वर्ल्ड क्लास यूनिवर्सिटी पंजाब बिल 2026 जिहड़ा which seeks to honor the supreme sacrifice of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji and establish a world-class university at Anandpur Sahib. The initiative has been described as noble and timely, with the potential to become a center of excellence that reflects the Guru's message of courage, freedom of conscience and service to humanity. While extending full support in principle, the opposition has urged the government to address four key issues to ensure the university is built on a strong and a sound foundations. Number one, transparency on land and finance. The government should clearly state where the permanent campus would be located, how much land is required, and whether the land is already available or will be acquired. Number two, Bansab, a clear financial roadmap and project costs should also be presented to the House. Number two, Punjab has a proud tradition of democratic participation in university performance. The proposed structure should include representation of teachers and due course graduates, so the university functions as an academic community rather than only an administrative institution. The legacy of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji belongs to the entire nation, sir. The university should therefore have provisions for national and international outreach, collaborations and academic linkages across India and world over, especially in emerging fields like artificial intelligence, cybersecurity and data science. Sir, full-fledged departments should be established for the study and research of the teachings of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the message of Guru Granth Sahib with the wider history and heritage of the Punjab. This will ensure the university combines technological advantage with deep civilizational and historical understanding. The opposition supports the creation of the university and the vision behind it. Will clarity in planning, democratic governance, national outreach, and a strong academic commitment to Sikh heritage, the institution can truly honor the legacy of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji and serve the generations of students. So we fully support this. बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है, इकट्ठे होके चलिए एंड ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ ਤੌਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਐਨਆਰਆਈਜ਼ ਨੇ ਜੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਕੰਟਰੀਬਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਸ਼ਨ ਵੱਡੇ ਪੈਮਾਨੇ ਤੇ ਵਰਲਡ ਓਵਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਡਾਇਸਪੋਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੰਟੈਲੈਕਚੁਅਲਸ ਦਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜੋੜੀਏ ਜੀ। ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ। ਬਹੁਤ